With our Fritos, I'm gonna add 1 pound of cooked ground beef, and I did season this with some taco seasoning. It's gonna be a super easy, super delicious crock pot dinner. Let's make sure you get all of that meat on there. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing already. We're gonna use our spoon and make sure that ground beef is spread right on top of our delicious Fritos. Beautiful. Next, I'm coming in with 1 whole onion that I diced, and I used yellow onion, but you can use a white onion, a purple onion, whatever onion flavor you like. Oh, I absolutely love onions, and it goes so well with this dish. Next thing we're adding into our crock pot is our traditional refried beans. Now you can make homemade refried beans if that is your personal preference, but I wanted this to be super easy. Hopefully it will give you inspiration to make it your own. So we are gonna add a generous amount of this refried beans, probably the whole can, which is 16 ounces. And I'm just doing scoops because these beans aren't heated up yet, so they're not easy to spread, but as we turn the crock pot on, they will heat up and kind of spread and cover up those onions and the ground beef way better than what it looks like now. So let's get that whole thing right in there. All right, that was that whole can. To add some moisture, we're gonna add 1 can of our El Paso red enchilada sauce, and this is the 1 pound and 3 ounces. And we're gonna drizzle that whole thing on top of our beans, our onions, our beef, and those Fritos. You can make a homemade enchilada sauce. You could do a green enchilada sauce. You can make this your own. Like I always say, it's so easy to customize this and make it exactly how you like. Now, of course, we have to add some cheese. So I'm gonna add this whole bag of Mexican style blend cheese, which is 16 ounces of cheese. We're gonna put that right on top. You could obviously add more cheese or do whatever cheese you like, but you know, I don't want it to be too cheesy because I know some of you do not like cheese as much as I do. Now for an added crunch, I have 1 more bag of Fritos, 2 bags total. This second layer is totally optional, but I just think it adds such a great extra layer of crunch that is so necessary for this easy and delicious dinner. So we added that whole second bag and we're gonna spread it out, and now this is ready to cook. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lid on, and we're gonna pop this on high, which it already is, and it's gonna cook up super quick. All right, you guys, it's been 1.5 hours on high. Now, if you wanted to do this on low, you would cook it for about 3 to 4 hours, but let's check this out. Ooh. Smell all that goodness, and those Fritos are still nice and crunchy on the top. Let's go ahead and serve this up. It smells incredible. Oh yeah, this is gonna be delicious. Would you look at that? Frito pie in the crock pot, extra Fritos, extra delicious. Now before we dig in, I'll put this to the side. We're gonna dress this up a little bit. A little bit of light sour cream. Beautiful. This is optional, but some cilantro. Beautiful. So easy, so delicious. Let's give it a try. Oh my goodness. Wow, that is incredible, you guys. You have to try it.